Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole if you're new here. Today I'm doing a fall makeup look. This is really cute for like day or night, whatever you're feeling. This is just like a perfect chill look. I think I mixed really good cool tones with warm tones. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm not a beauty guru, but if you want to see how I got this look and how I achieved it, then just keep watching. So the first thing I'm gonna start out with is my Kapari lip gloss in Birthday Suit. It's kind of like a lip balm. It's so nice. It smells like coconuts. I don't have a mirror right now. I had to get rid of mine in the move. So if you see me looking in the viewfinder, I'm so sorry. And as you can tell, my skin is like freaking out. It's so red and like blotchy. I'm in Los Angeles and they have really bad pollution and that can sometimes bring on redness. So I guess that's what I'm dealing with right now. I haven't been here that long, so I guess my skin is still adjusting to it. I don't know why I grabbed my mascara. I don't know what I'm doing. But anyways, I'm going to fix that redness with a concealer before I go in with a tinted moisturizer. I like to do this because, ooh, I just flung it everywhere. Because I feel like it really helps like get rid of it and cancel it out. I don't add too much because I don't want to be like caking it on, you know what I mean? My nose gets really weird too. Okay, blend that out now with my hand. Just like that. I've never really had problematic skin. Like I've had a breakout here and there, but besides that, nothing major. So this is kind of like interesting for my skin and I hope that I adjust it better. I just bought a new face mask during the Victoria's Secret sale, the Sephora sale, and it's supposed to like help with like keeping out all the pollution and stuff like that. I just started using it, so I can't really say anything right now, but I'll definitely be adding it into a routine if it becomes a keeper. Okay, I pulled up my phone so I can use that as a mirror, and it's working much better for me than looking in the viewfinder. Okay. My skin doesn't look that bad when I'm looking at it like on my phone or in a mirror. I don't know why it looks so bad on camera. Maybe it's just me. I feel like when you upload the video, it looks better than when you're looking at yourself on the viewfinder. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. This is the new one that came out. I got the little sample size in the checkout aisle. And it has SPF 30 sunscreen, and I got the shade Nude. This is more my shade since I'm really pale right now. Okay, next I like to let that sit, so I go into eyebrows. I picked up a mini one just because I was feeling cheap, but I still have this one so I could use the brush. I brush up and away like that. And then once that's done, yeah. I fill in only what's needed. I've been really into natural brows lately. I don't really have any on the ends, so I do like to fill them out. And then I fill them in. Only on the side though. But now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna brush them up one more time so they're nice and bushy. I have like this really thick piece of hair right here and it just makes them look really blotchy, but I'm just gonna work with it for today. I'm gonna go in with concealer. Oh, by the way, this is the Maybelline, I believe it's the Fit Me concealer, something like that, and it's in Fair Clair. I'm just gonna go under like this. And since we concealed everywhere else, we don't really need to worry about that. which is really nice. Oops, I'm gonna wet my beauty blender with this Miss Congeniality rose water. Looks like this. You're going to set the concealer. I'm using this little brush. I think these are by Nicole Miller, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is the e.l.f. Translucent Press Powder. Love this. I don't like loose powders because I feel like they're so messy. And then underneath. And then here on the nose, on the chin, and everywhere where it gets pretty shiny. I'm gonna use this bronzer as a blush as well. I'm gonna get a little bit of that, and this is in, I think this is just the classic bronzer. I don't know what shade it is. I am going to be applying some eyeshadow. I never wear eyeshadow. I usually just go with bronzer and then move on. But I picked up an eyeshadow palette at the Sephora sale because, I don't know, I haven't picked up one in like years. So I went with this Charlotte Tilbury one. It's really classic, nothing too crazy. It's a very go-to everyday palette. It's in Sophisticate. I'm gonna be priming my eyes with this white one right here that's called Prime. I love this because it's just so simple and it goes with like my style and just, you know, I'm gonna get closer. But just like, you know, my vibe. I don't like to wear a lot of makeup, but I also like, you know, wanna wear a little bit of makeup, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna put that everywhere and underneath. And then I'm going into this color right here, which is called Enhance. So this little brown one right there. Focus, focus on this, focus not on me. Okay, I'm gonna put that everywhere on my lid. The only thing I don't like is that there's so much like excess powder. Wow, Beauty Guru just like gets everywhere and I feel like the product is being wasted. Maybe that's just me. I'm done with that. I'm gonna take a little bit of that color since it's kind of darker than my bronzer, and I'm gonna contour my nose. I've been seeing everyone like carry their bronzer up, like they don't stop, they contour, then go all the way up to the eyebrow, and then go around and do it again. This is Spoke. And I go on my outer and I just drag it there. But after that, I'm applying this cool tone right here. It's like a smoky blue, I guess. I don't know what it is. It's really pretty. And that one is in Pop. A little bit more of that shade. I actually want to go into highlight first. I'm using the e.l.f. highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. I'm going to do this real quick. Set my face, air it out. Take my finger I feel like it applies best that way. And just go in. Oh, I need a mirror. Just a little dot. And then I saw Janelle Selden do this, and she didn't put it like down her nose. She like put it in the middle. So that's what I'm gonna do. See how that looks on me. Above the lip, chin. And then I'm gonna take some on the eyebrow as well. And then the inner corners. I like it. Okay. Next, I'm going in with my mascara. But first, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. This is, I don't know what kind of curler this is. I've had it for like years. My dog is looking at me like I'm crazy. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. Cute. Apparently it's like a dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and I like it. Apply my NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. It won't come off. It's kind of like a really pretty like nudish shade. Okay. Now I'm gonna apply my Dior Maximizer lip gloss in, I think it's beige. Yeah, I believe it's beige. I'm just gonna apply a tad bit of that. Cute. Okay. Lastly, I'm gonna set my face again just because I like to do that when I'm done with makeup. Okay. So this is the completed look. Very cute, simple. I really like the eye makeup. This would be really cute for the daytime or at night if you don't like to wear like lots of makeup products. This is like perfect for you. I just think it's cute. But if you do like to wear a little bit more at night, maybe this would be a cute day look. I really love this. I'm probably gonna do another tutorial with that palette in the future. I kind of want to do a 90s look. I mean, this could be past its 90s too. I'm a little bit too glowy, but just slap on some eyeliner, or not eyeliner, lip liner, be good to go. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you want more makeup videos or other type of videos you'd like to see. I post videos every week, maybe twice a week, and yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.